Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. The 2013 Toyota Corolla, part of the 10th generation E140/E150 family, stands as one of the definitive examples of what it means to build a dependable, timeless compact sedan. In a world where automotive trends shift quickly and designs age overnight, the Corolla chose a different path, one guided by consistency, refinement, and trust. By 2013, this generation had already earned its reputation, not through loud styling or aggressive performance, but through something more enduring: quiet excellence. It was a sedan that didn't need to prove itself, because millions of drivers around the world already knew exactly what it offered. This script explores the spirit of that car, not through flashy theatrics, but through the subtle strength that made it one of the most beloved vehicles of its era. The 2013 Corolla carries a design that values clarity over complexity. Its shape is clean and aerodynamic, free from the exaggerated creases and overworked surfaces that dominated some competitors. The front fascia features a straightforward, yet confident grille flanked by smooth, almond-shaped headlights. It is a face that feels calm, stepping away from the pursuit of shock value and embracing a philosophy of longevity. The bumper is understated, the fog lamps, when equipped, integrated with restraint, and the hood flows gently toward the windshield. Nothing screams for attention. Everything is purposefully reserved, engineered to feel relevant not merely for a few years, but for decades. Along the sides, the Corolla maintains a classic three-box silhouette with a gently sloping roofline that gives the cabin generous headroom. The proportions are balanced, reflecting Toyota's commitment to ergonomic interior packaging. The subtle character line that runs down the body adds just enough visual depth without overshadowing the simplicity. The 2013 model benefits from Toyota's experience refining the E140 platform through the late 2000s, resulting in damped door operation, improved panel fitment, and solid build quality. Wheel designs vary depending on the trim: steel wheels with hubcaps on the base models or clean multi-spoke alloys on the higher trims, but each complements the Corolla's unpretentious demeanor. The rear styling follows the same design language: simple, linear, and mature. Rectangular taillights extend into the trunk lid, framed by a clean bumper and high-mounted stop lamp. The proportions are friendly to cargo loading, reflecting the Corolla's practical roots. The trunk space itself is generous for a compact sedan, a trait that made the Corolla a favorite among families, students, and commuters alike. Every aspect of the exterior design seems engineered not to be trendy today, but to remain respectable tomorrow. Inside, the 2013 Corolla reveals why it became so universally trusted. The cabin showcases a thoughtful balance between durability and comfort. Surfaces are soft where hands frequently rest, and resilient everywhere else. The dashboard design is symmetrical and uncluttered, focused on intuitive operation rather than digital theatrics. Large knobs for climate controls, clearly marked buttons, and a straightforward audio system reflect Toyota's belief that a car should be easy to understand from the very first moment a driver sits inside. For those stepping into the Corolla after years of owning older vehicles, the 2013 model feels instantly familiar. Seat comfort is one of its strongest attributes. Toyota engineered the cushions to be firm enough for long-distance durability, yet soft enough to prevent fatigue on commutes. The driving position is upright and ergonomic, with clear sight lines out of every window thanks to thin pillars compared to modern standards. Cabin space is generous for its class, particularly in the rear seats, where passengers enjoy ample leg and headroom. This sense of openness and practicality allowed the Corolla to serve not only individuals, but also families, rideshare drivers, and fleet operators who needed reliable comfort day after day. Beneath the hood, the 2013 Corolla is powered by Toyota's venerable 1.8-liter 2ZR FE four-cylinder engine, a marvel of efficiency and durability. Producing around 132 horsepower, it is not a performance powerhouse, and it never pretended to be, but it delivers what Corolla drivers value more: smoothness, predictability, and exceptional fuel economy. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, the engine is tuned for reliability above all else. The motor's reputation for longevity is nearly legendary, capable of surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles with little more than routine maintenance. Its timing chain design, refined combustion process, and thermal efficiency all reinforce Toyota's engineering priorities. On the road, the Corolla behaves exactly as expected, calmly, quietly, and confidently. The 10th generation chassis delivers a comfortable ride that isolates occupants from rough pavement while maintaining predictable handling characteristics. The steering is light, ideal for city maneuverability, and the suspension is tuned to favor stability over sportiness. This is a car built for real-world driving, where reliability matters more than razor-sharp cornering or explosive acceleration. In parking lots, the tight turning radius makes navigation easy. It does not chase trends. On highways, the Corolla tracks steadily, supported by good aerodynamics and noise insulation that reduces fatigue on longer journeys. Safety is another area where the 2013 Corolla upholds Toyota's reputation. Equipped with standard stability control, anti-lock brakes, multiple airbags, and reinforced crash structures, the car reflects Toyota's broader commitment to creating safe transportation for global markets. In many ways, the Corolla's success lies in what it chooses not to be. It does not chase trends. It does not overwhelm with complicated technology. Instead, it focuses on what matters most: reliability, comfort, efficiency, and affordability. These qualities, though modest, are powerful. They forge bonds between car and driver not through adrenaline, but through trust. And trust, once earned, lasts. The 2013 Toyota Corolla E140/E150 stands as the final refinement of its generation, a generation that solidified Toyota's reputation for bulletproof engineering and thoughtful design. Even years later, it remains a benchmark of practicality, a symbol of durability, and a reminder that greatness doesn't always shout. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.